That is straight. So straight.
How's it going, officer?
Had no need to fight tonight.
He's a little bit low on gas. You know, he had
This is
Sandy Shores, bro.
I did all alright.
Yeah.
Had no
Is it just a cover or is that? What's going on, guys? So right now we're actually headed to get the 5.0 tinted. This tint on the window is pretty good, and I'll show you guys a bit of the process. I had the Cobra done by him, but the 5.0 has been like it's getting a lot brighter, and I want to get ceramic tint on this car because I'm tired of it being super bright out, you know, all the time. So we're gonna stop by his house and we're gonna check it out. So see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we have Mr. AlexSVT tinting right there. He is getting the 5.0 tinted. We went 5% because this thing looks so much more badass. The other tint was probably like 20%, you'd say?
Yeah, like 20% or so.
Yeah, so I definitely like that blacked out look. And it's honestly, like, you can still kind of see in through right here, but it's probably just because lighting's up top. But ultimately, it looks badass. It's super dark. If you guys are interested, I'll put pretty much everything in the description so you guys can go check him out. How's it going so far?
Not bad, but he shrink these fingers right here.
So it's all cut on a printer, essentially, right?
Yeah, plotter right there.
That's what it's called, plotter. I didn't know that. You learn something new every day.
Basically, I have all these films right here.
Okay.
And then I'll load it all up into the plotter right there, and then enter the make, model, year of my software right here.
That's smart.
Let's see. Database, open the database. And
Ooh, that's sick. That's sick. So this whole program shows you guys pretty much any sort of car, right? I mean,
yeah, any type of car.
That's like crazy.
Yeah.
So any sort of car, and then it's printed on this plotter, right? That's what you call it?
Yep, exactly. Yep.
And it's pretty much precision cut to your liking on whatever car you guys own. So we're gonna see. We're gonna get this side. This side's all finished, but we're gonna wait for one more side, and then we'll get back to you guys with the finished product. What's up, guys? So we just got the 5.0 tinted, and by the look on my face, I'm super excited about it. It looks phenomenal. Shout out to my boy Alex for actually doing the tint. His name's Alex as well. But yeah, it looks really good. And if you're at a light, you know, you can look over and see what's up. But yeah, we got full ceramic on these two. The back I didn't want to do quite yet just because they're already kind of dark. But yeah, for now, we're just gonna rock with this setup. I really like it. We made it to Chris's house, and one of the things that I did do was take off the Ford Performance logo because it was seeing better days. It was starting to peel off, and like it wasn't starting to look good. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is put on a new banner and maybe change up the theme. I don't know, I really like the way it looked, so we'll probably just go with that. But yeah. Okay, so Chris, which one do you think we should do?
I don't know, I was thinking either putting like the Ford badge, replacing the words.
I feel like it looked kind of tacky. Like it looked old. It looked old. I think we should just keep.
Yeah, we'll just keep it regular, a little more sporty, huh?
Yeah, because the Ford logo, don't get me wrong, looks cool, but it wouldn't really match. Alright guys, so Chris is here getting my decal done. I really appreciate it. If you guys want any work done, you guys can hit him up, AlexSVT. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel.
More subs.
Yeah, we need more subs. And
I got some new parts.
Yep. He's got some stylistic cosmetic stuff. It's really going to change the whole look of the car. But right now, we're going to get the decal on. Hopefully it goes well, and catch you guys in a bit. Nico blends with the range. Woo! Ooh.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You got the corridos?
You wanna go for a spin or what? V6.
Eco boost. Hey, your flag's on backwards.
V6.
Flag's on backwards.
Don't step on it right now, huh?
Hey, Barber gets new 5.0. Pumping. We need the corn. We need the corn.
I know all you talk shit in the comments talking about, damn, why are you so far from the pump?
We got the
AlexSVT inspired.
Woo! We got the 235s. Fuck, dude, these tires are. They're gonna be. You gotta keep these for like a swinger set. Hey, so what's the future mods?
Headers first. Whipple next. Nah, headers. E85 maybe.
85 is the best out there. I'm telling you. Just from the top?
Yeah, like a little higher. Well, like stretch it out a little bit.
Tawfiq, let's race.
I'll test that shit easily.
What?
Say hi to YouTube.
Thank you.
That is sick. That is so sick.
Thank you.
They like this car.
Oh shit. Hey, one more time.
They like your car.
Being pulled over now.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm being pulled over. I was hella revving at him. Yeah, he's pulling me over. Let's see what he says. Park right here. Yeah. How's it going, officer?
Good. You?
Oh no, I was being a little loud. Yeah.
You were being a little bit loud.
Yeah.
Those guys in that white truck.
Yeah, they just wanted to hear it. Yeah, I was just revving for them. So.
Keep it down.
Oh yeah, for sure, 100%. Thank you, officer. Yeah, for sure. Whole squad arriving. Is this a three? Well, which one? What series is this? Or
335.
oh, it's a 335i. So it's an N54 or not? Yeah.
It's the N54.
You want? Sheesh. Oh my god.
Ready?
They're f***ing wild, bro. Imagine. Dude, where you been?
MIA.
That's crazy.
Alright, we're going out to Harris Ranch to get a big ass meet. Hopefully some cool cars and
Hey,
take you along.
if there's an exotic, Abraham needs to race the exotic.
Like a Ferrari or
Yeah, something.
We are in pursuit of a 4.0 Whipple Shelby. Suspect seems to be wearing a red shirt.
Alright guys, so we have Mr. Renee Shelby GT500 right there. If you guys don't remember that, we did film some stuff on that. We went initially to the track and then so as you can see, Abraham has encountered a problem. He's a little bit low on gas. You know, he had a quarter tank back like when we needed gas, and so hopefully he makes it, but we don't know if the Shelby's gonna make it because he's been at zero before. I mean, you were just cruising, right?
Right now, but like in the city,
Sheesh.
hit zero.
Dude, that's crazy.
It dies.
So Abraham made it with 0 miles. Or show them, I wanna see it.
Yeah, we're gonna see how much we fill them.
Oh yeah.
Hey, it was 0 miles for like 10 minutes.
Oh my god, look at that. Dude, it's like on like nothing. Like is there like 0 miles to empty, bro? Holy shit. You got oh, that, this is Sandy Shores, bro. We're in Sandy Shores in GTA right now, guys. Dude, it's so quiet too, like it sounds weird. Oh yeah. It does. So we're filling up gas real quick and then we're gonna head to the meet. Hopefully it's cool. We got Renee's GT500 filling up. I filled up with some ED5 because I knew there wasn't gonna be any corn over here. So if you guys have ED5 and you come to a ghost town, you guys are screwed.
My car keys in spirit. Since the car could have came.
The car could have came.
Yeah, this shit was about to run out of gas though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
3/4.
It's not bad.
How much you put in?
Ah, dude, it sucks seeing a Terminator here, bro. Oh, sweet. Ooh, that Shelby. That's like, it's just a 6 Shelby GT350, and I think the color. It's just a 6 350 right there.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, I love that color. Looks good, dude.
You hit the dirt, bro.
Yeah, I know. He was just explaining it because he wouldn't let him pass, so he couldn't like go back.
I mean, I could drive it, but it just red lines at 5, like that dig.
Yeah.
Like I can't
Oh,
do a
yeah.
dig. Like a roll, I'm cool. It's just the top right there.
You're still touching?
Yeah.
No, also trade the 5.0 and get something like this. We think make some JDM. I want to.
Trade the 5.0.
I want to get something else. Yeah. This shit's hella clean.
Get one.
I'd be down to get one. That shit goes hard. I like that. I love the way these look for sure. 100%. Oh, a supercharged? 350? Sheesh. Holy. Is it? Oh, I don't even know.
You know who that is, though? AlexSVT. That is the man-myth legend right there.
I gotta say what's up to this man. He's always bringing up the meats.
You know. It's good with
Dude, where you been?
I've been out, bro.
Yeah?
Being honest? Yeah, man.
How long you been here?
I've been out here for
A while?
Yeah, I've been out here
Oh,
like
okay.
maybe like a year, just about. I'm like,
Oh shit.
damn!
Sexy one Ali. Oh my god. Well, Hellkeezy.
Imagine if my phone
Oh shit. Super Snake. We finally made it. You guys about to take off or what?
Yeah, we're
Shit, he's got cutouts. Damn. So we almost had brakes casualty, car casualty, ran out of gas. So 3 events.
3 events.
For 1 event.
That's crazy.
So I guess that was our event for us.
Renee was dead. I fucking thought he was gonna flip. It was
I know. Yeah. I guess it was like I'll put a scene right here. It was like what from Cars?
Cars, you know when he's drifting and shit. They're in the back. Electrical rights.
Yeah, for real.
I just seen it all on my fucking mirror. I was just like, oh, fuck.
I was just cruising like casually. I didn't see nothing until
Well,
you
because I
turned
seen
around.
the car and I'm like, whose dumbass is this? And then I was like, oh, fuck, that's fucking Renee.
How much boost? Like 10, he said? I mean, that's low. Beamer, GT500, 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 5.0, 350, Camaro, 3 valve. Hey, Renee, can we do a little recap? Like, what the hell happened? So, I mean, we pulled a Fast and Furious scene, low-key.
Yep, we did. We were trying to pass cars up, AlexSVT threw rocks at some female cars.
Sheesh.
You know, all that traction, you know.
Yeah.
He kicked all the rocks up.
I feel it.
She got mad and didn't let me in. Another car was coming in oncoming traffic. I had to make evasive maneuvers and Tokyo drift.
Right, so you couldn't go forward because they wouldn't let you pass, so you'd have to go backwards. Yeah, I do. Now, which one is?
5.2, 5.4.
Oh, so if we just flip them, all in symmetrical order. 5.0, 5.4, 5.2, 5.8. Bought it in the wild. You got some Brembos all around, though.
That's pretty fast.
I like
You
it.
gonna put an ATR racing sticker on it?
I mean, the white, the boost, right? I mean, the white.
Is it just a cover or is it actually Brembo brakes? Oh, it is a cover. Sheesh. Ah.
We'll go versus to see the real difference. Because, like, you know how I did everything little by little. Yeah.
What if this car keeps up with that one?
Nah.
But what if you did and like you're just like, oh hell no.
Not the money right there.
All right, here we go. Sheesh. Never realized how low it was until you turn. Oh hell nah. If I hit a bump turning, that shit's rubbing for sure right there.